I'm Madhu Veeraraghavan. I'm the director of the TAPI Management Institute, popularly known as TAPMI Manipal. I also hold the TAPI Chair Professorship in Finance. I'm an Australian citizen and lived for 20 years in Australia and New Zealand. And during the time, I held positions at two of the world's best business schools, Monash University and the University of Auckland. I relocated to India in 2013 and joined TAPMI as a professor of finance. In 2017, I took over as the director of this amazing business school. I'm not sure if you're aware, there are 5,000 business schools in India. Of the 5,000 business schools, only 5 business schools have the coveted double crown, and TAPMI is on the elite list of 5 business schools to have both the AACSB and the AMBA accreditation. We're now preparing for EQUIS accreditation as well. TAPMI's mission is to excel in postgraduate management, education, research, and practice. So our faculty not only publish in world-class academic journals, but they also bring in some of the research into the classroom. That is because our view is that research-led teaching is quite important, as students must get both perspectives while learning business degrees. As a Tom Prague Business School, we're committed to providing world-class experience to our students. The idea is to identify leadership competencies in our students. Each year, approximately 100 plus companies visit our campus to provide summer internships, final placements, and live projects to all of our students. In addition to that, our faculty also engage quite closely with corporate India in running high-end executive programs. I take great pleasure in introducing the Life at TAPMI video to all of you. So come join me and watch the video.
LEDC stands for the Leadership Assessment and the Development Center at TAPMI. It aims to instill leadership competencies in its students. The modern day research underscores the importance of leadership competencies in the management students because they tend to undertake all the leadership positions in the corporates going forward. The center aims to address this gap and help the students become transformational leaders rather than being merely transactional leaders.
TAPMI Young Leaders Program aims to produce B-School graduates capable of assuming leadership roles in the industry. The program is structured in 3 phases, starting with the personalized advisory sessions to enhance self-awareness.
The Young Leaders Program is one such excellent platform for budding leaders like us to apply classroom learnings to the real world. The Student Executive Council acts as a bridge between the college administration and the student body in matters of general, academic and individual importance. Our primary function is to facilitate the smooth functioning of all student activities on campus. Members of the SEC also act as student representatives on the strategy planning group, which gives directions to various student initiatives and strategy of the institute.
TAPMI's Student Managed Investment Course, most popularly known as SMIC, is a beautifully designed investment course where the students get to invest real money in the market and understand how the market actually works.
Samnidhi is a legally registered student managed investment fund in India. It is a platform for budding investors to learn real-time portfolio management and investment.
Brandscan is the market research committee of TAPMI. What distinguishes Brandscan from other market research companies is the fact that we do it through disguised games. Games that are specifically designed according to the requirements of the clients.
TAPMI has India's largest finance lab. The state-of-the-art lab houses 16 Bloomberg terminals and 7 Thomson Reuters terminals. This introduces students to the world of economics and finance.
Each year, 3 students are selected as Bloomberg champions to do an off-site internship with Bloomberg. They train the incoming batch on the use of Bloomberg and also they train the industry professionals regarding the same.
In any institute, alumni are their biggest strength. Alumni Relations Committee at TAPMI engages and connects with around 6,000 alumni.
We invite alumni to the campus to learn from their rich experience and knowledge. Such mentorship sessions have helped students to put their best foot forward.
So TAPMI is an inclusive place. It's a place for faculty, students, staff family, faculty family. We celebrate all the festivals throughout the year. So our entire community gathers for celebration of various festivals.
The Student Welfare Committee of TAPMI works towards the overall well-being of the students and provides continuous support to the student fraternity.
The committee also acts as a bridge between college administration and students in grievance redressal pertaining to hostel, mess and other college-related facilities.
Literary and Media Committee, also called as LIME, is a committee of creatives. We work to promote brand TAPMI to its internal and external audience.
Right from photography, videography, creative content writing, merchandising and admissions, We engage in a whole host of events all around the year.
The Cultural Committee sets the stage for students to express their talents. We organize open mics, treasure hunt and events that revolve around art, music, dance and fun.
Our vision here at TAPME Toastmasters is to empower individuals to become effective communicators and leaders. And we achieve this by conducting weekly meets wherein the students are provided with an opportunity to present impromptu and prepared speeches.
Leadership qualities, networking and team building. We all come to a B school for these skills. Coachcom provides you the perfect platform to experience and learn all of this in an informal and friendly environment.
Esprit is responsible for conducting Quiz on the Beach, Asia's largest on-campus business quiz.
For us, QOTB is not just about quizzing. We work on developing strategies to promote the event across the country, and this is the best platform for us to apply the management concepts that we have studied.
Atharva, the flagship annual B School Festival of TAPME, has the unique distinction of being one of the oldest. It also has a cultural event and it conducts a marathon run for a cause which attracts over 1,000 runners each year.
ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳದು ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ.
Do what you can with what you have. This is what we here at Sustainability at TAPME believe in. With a team comprising of 50 members, we take up several initiatives which fulfill the Sustainable Development Goals.
These cover projects which aim at providing quality education, food for all and clothes for whosoever is in need.
We also have a 2-credit course called SEVA, which is entirely life project based and allows students to come up with sustainable business solutions related to issues faced by small-scale entrepreneurs, NGOs and district administration.